Hi, you are probably interested in digital electronics and are looking for a way to program EEPROMs, that is, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. And let me guess, you don't have a professional EEPROM writer sitting on your shelf, Let's build one in about 20 minutes. What I am sharing here is just my take on an existing solution. I'll try to get the job done as concisely as I can though. I'll be working with these old-school AT28C64 8 kilobytes parallel EEPROMs many people use in hobby projects. For anything else, you will have to adapt things yourself. Let us begin by downloading the necessary files from the link in the description of this video. Unzip and open up the file schematic.pdf. So we are using an Arduino Nano here to control a 12-bit EEPROM address shown in gray via two of these 74595 shift registers. The 8-bit data lines shown in green here come directly from the Arduino. Simple enough. Let's build it. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Now we upload the programmer sketch into the Arduino and we are ready to write our first EEPROM image now. Okay, when the bright LED is on, our programmer is ready. Open up a console by typing CMD in the Explorer. Then type prom for a little help screen. Let's write the example image.bin to the EEPROM now. I always like to take a look at the file content first. Type hexdump image.bin-c. Okay, that's just a hello world message. The rest is filled with zeros. Let's write that by typing prom-w image.bin. It takes about 60 seconds to write the 8K of data. A verification is performed at the end and we have no errors. Great. Now we can use the -r command to read back the EEPROM's content into a separate file. Let's have a look at test again. And that looks exactly like what we've just written. Okay, this is it for today. With my next video, I am going to publish the full build information of a big project of mine, my educational minimal UART computer I've designed over the last year. It's sort of the simplest possible personal computer. If you want to follow along, this EEPROM burner might come in handy. So stay tuned and take care. Bye.